Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Welcome to everyone super global host. Today we show how can we make integration to our software with Fatoora Portal. So we are making one for our one customer. For that we need to go this link fatoora.zatka.gov.sa. So I click here. So it redirect to ZATCA login page. So here we need to put the ID number. So I put the TIN ID number and password. After that it sent the OTP. So after it sent the registered mobile number zatka.gov.sa, we need to put it here. So after put the OTP, it is now redirect. So this is the process how can we log into Fatoora portal. So after logging it come in this way. We can also change the language. From language button we can change it to English. So now go to Fatoora simulation portal and we have now in so now I am in active portal. So there have button go to Fatoora simulation portal. This is for testing, but we need active credential or active OTP to it integrate with our software. And also you can see the link. We need to come here from home E-Invoicing, then Fatoora portal. If we click go to Fatoora simulation portal, then there have the instruction and I can click agree and agree button, then it go to that page. So this is the Fatoora simulation portal and there have option say back to Fatoora portal. This is for testing purpose only. So this simulation portal, it is for testing purpose. We did not use this onboard OTP for integration with our software. We need from direct Fatoora portal. So I back to again Fatoora portal because it is now in simulation portal. So I back to Fatoora portal. So it is very important when we generate this onboard new solution unit device, then we need to stay on Fatoora portal, not Fatoora simulation portal. So after come here, here have option onboard new solution unit or device. This is the place where we need to go. And here also we have option C, renew existing cryptographic stamp identifier and view list of solution and device API. So this is another option, view list of solution device. When our integration is done, then we can see it here. So now we can go onboard new solution unit or device here. So when we click here, then they say taxpayer onboarding their E-Invoicing generation solution EGS are required to generate OTP code for every single EGS or device in order to complete the onboarding process. OTP code are valid for 1 hour from the time of generate. Taxpayer can generate up to 100 OTP code in one request. So we need to generate OTP and this OTP we need to put in our software to integrate this one. That's it. It is very simple. So we are now onboard new device from Fatoora portal and we need to click here I am not a robot, and here the number how many OTP we want to generate. So we just click 1 because we no need to more. and after that we can click generate OTP code. So OTP code is generated. Here you see OTP code is valid for 1 hour. I just hide the thing that is now in below, because it is credential, one credential. OTP it is now generated. So in this OTP we use on our software. So if anyone want to integrate his software, his ZATCA Fatoora portal with our software, then he need to follow this way to come here, and he need to just click I am not a robot and generate. Then he get the OTP, and he need to put how many OTP he generate. We need only one, but if he want to give us 2 or 3, this no problem, we use any one of them. So that's the simple way how can we generate the OTP to integration our software with ZATCA Fatoora portal, and from ZATCA Fatoora portal how can we generate this OTP. This is the process. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.